Scientists have discovered that boiling water successfully kills some cancers. They hope to use the same on Leos and Virgos in the near future.
What's the deal with Advent shops? I mean, Jesus Christ, who is buying all that stuff anyways?
Where did Napoleon keep his armies? In his sleeveys.
Why was the Iraqi cheesemaker mad? He kept finding Kurds in the way.
My girlfriend is a square root of -100. She's a perfect 10 but imaginary, and our relationship is complex.
I was watching an Australian cooking show and the audience clapped when the chef made meringue. I was surprised, as Australians usually boo meringue.
Why can't toilet paper cross the road? Because it gets stuck between the cracks.
If you forget your jacket and you are cold, go stand in a corner. Most corners are 90 degrees.
I'm getting old, so when I tripped over a box of Kleenex, I really worried about tissue damage.
Why is it never a wise idea to insult an octopus? Because they are well armed.
I heard a gang stole an entire truckload of Red Bull. How do they sleep at night?
If you sneeze and fart at the same time, you must be cold-blooded.
I've been trying to improve my churning to make the end result taste superior, but to no avail. I can't believe it's not better. Hang in there for more laughs and groans after this quick announcement.
A Delta employee inadvertently activated the emergency exit slide. Witnesses said it appeared to be a case of premature evacuation.
My wife is on a tropical fruit diet. There's all this stuff everywhere. It's enough to make a man go crazy.
If homies are friends that chill at your house, what do you call friends that you meet up with at McDonald's? Taste buds.
I tried to buy a taxidermy bird, but the shop wanted too much for it. They said it wouldn't go cheap.
I'm reading a book about sheet metal workers. It's riveting. I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Montgomery Jones.
Hold on until the end of the episode for a bonus joke. We're on a mission to spread the laughs and groans far and wide. Please share one of these jokes with your family and friends.
Looking for the gift for Dad? We have the official Daily Dad Jokes podcast electronic joke button now available on Amazon. A massive 500 preloaded dad jokes guaranteed to make you laugh and groan. Check the show notes page for the link. The Daily Dad Jokes podcast is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for social media links and joke credits. This show was recorded in front of a canned studio audience. Someone stole my army coloring book. Now I'm left looking for a soldier to crayon.